Hey, I'm Matilda and welcome to my channel Me and My Passport. In this video I thought I'm gonna show you how I'm living here in Thailand, Hua Hin, and talk a little bit about the price of accommodations to stay here. But first let's go outside and we start there. So this is a two-story house. The owner lived here down on the first floor, and then you go up here. So on the second floor they have 4 rooms they rent out, and this is my room. So here is my bedroom, and here is my kitchen area. I bought this one so I can cook a little bit of food myself home. A small fridge, also have a TV and air condition, and my living room, and of course a toilet and hot water. As you can see, I basically just rent a room with a toilet, and it's perfect for me because I wanted to find the cheapest room possible so I can stay here in Thailand as long as possible. This room is 3,500 baht a month plus 100 baht water and then electricity, and it depends on how much air conditioning you use. I pay 2,000 baht a month, but it can be like between 500 to 2,000 baht, I will say. And if you want to come here and find a cheap room, I think you should count on 4,500 baht a month. I've seen many rooms for that price, so I think that's what you should count on. And to find this cheap room, I think the best thing is to take your motorbike, if you know what area you want to live in, and drive around and just look around. It's a sign outside the houses in the room, and they just say for rent, and then it has a phone number, and then you usually just call them, and you can go and look at the room the same day many times, and maybe even move in the same day if you want to. And if you know you're gonna stay for a long time, it's a good idea to make a deal before you move in. For example, before I moved in here, I know I'm gonna stay for 1 year, so I get even cheaper than 3,500 because I paid everything for 1 year, and I make a contract and everything with that. If you want to find a condo or a house, I think the best place is to find it on Facebook, either Facebook Marketplace, or here in Hua Hin there's different groups of condos, and I've seen it's from 8,500 and up, like 9,000, 10,000, 12,000, and then it's normally, you know, a bedroom and a small kitchen area. Maybe they have a community pool and small fitness center there as well. I also saw condos for 65,000 baht a month if you want luxury, so they have everything, and townhouse from 8,000 baht a month and up, and also other houses 10,000, 12,000, 15,000. Yeah, and of course they have more luxuries, 65,000 baht a month for a house, and 25 also have all kinds of standards, depends on what you want. But for me, 3,500 baht per month is perfect. I'm gonna start to make more videos like this about the cost of living in Thailand, how to get a visa here and everything. So if you are interested in that, subscribe for more videos. And also, of course, I'm gonna start to make vlogs again. But see you in the next one.